Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So in the episode we got this cool right here, and basically what this is a wireless microphone system. If you see the one that we got right here is in this brand, and for this product actually has dual channel. So they provide guys two different microphones on here for you guys to do like an interview if you guys want to. So this is what the product looks like when you guys get it. And then you see the bottom right here, they provide guys some specs and features that's on here. If you guys turn around to the back, they provide guys some more information about the product as well. So for this one right here, you guys want to plug in like the aux cable onto your device, whether it's like your camera or something else. And for those of you guys who remember, I actually tested another product in the past that's very similar to this one right here, but that one was for like iOS device. So if you guys are curious about what I'm talking about this one right here. So this is also from the same exact brand, and this is called a Blink500 Pro B4. And you see the way how they design it, looks exactly the same, but they actually have this option right here for you to plug into your iOS device. And this one's been working really well, and I actually love it a lot. That is why I decided to get the other one right here with the aux option, so that we can use it for like my camera. So first I'm actually open up the product to show you guys what it actually looks like first. So once you guys open it, they provide you guys a little box inside. But once you guys open the box, this actually looks like inside. So they provide guys the user manual, and they also provide guys some stickers as well to teach you guys how to use it. When you leave that, if you see we do have a little case. When you take out the case, there's a small little box inside. So let's take that out first. So when you open up the box, they provide guys a USB to micro USB cable, so you use that to recharge the product. They also provide guys a USB to USB-C cable. Right here they provide guys a stretchable aux cable, and then here's another one. And inside they provide guys a lavalier mic, one for each of the actual microphones if you guys want to use this option. And it comes with a little clip for you to clip it onto your shirt. And then right here they provide guys two of these wind mufflers that you can use to put it onto your microphone to block off any wind when you guys are recording outdoor. So all you need to do is just clip it onto the actual product, and I'll show you guys how to do that in a second. So that is everything that's included in this small little box. Now let's take a look at what's inside this case. So you see for this case right here, we do have the brand logo. They provide guys a little strap for you guys to hang it somewhere if you guys want to. And right here we do have a zipper. So when you guys open up, there's another case inside. So when you take it out, this is what the case looks like. So we have the indicator right here. We have a button to open up the product. Right here we do have a pairing button. If you can see in the back right here, they do have an output for you to plug in a cable to recharge it, which is USB-C. And we see in the bottom right here, they do have like the non-slip material. So once you guys put it onto a flat surface, it won't move around. But once you guys open up, this right here looks like inside. So they provide guys two transmitters and one receiver. The receiver is the one you have to plug into your camera, and transmitters are the one you have to put onto your shirt or whatever to record stuff and send the audio onto the receiver. And for each one of these right here, you can see they do have an indicator light to show you guys when it's charging. So once we open up, you can see there's an indicator light that pops on right here to show you guys that it's charging. But obviously right now it's not charging because there's something underneath it. So I'm going to take off one of the receivers and take off one of the transmitter to show you guys what is on here. So I'm going to show you guys the transmitter first. Alright, so once you guys take it out, this is what the product looks like. So the transmitter that's on here, it looks exactly the same as the one that's on the iOS device, which is this one right here. So you can see on the side we do have a power button that you can use as a mute button as well. Top out right here is the microphone, and right here we do have the mic line in option. So you can plug in like the lavalier mic, you can do that on here. And if you guys want to set up like the windscreen right here, you just want to go like this. Once you guys push it in, then it's all set. So very simple and very easy to actually set up. And then this side right here, you can see we do have a plus and minus button that you guys can use to change the gain on here. And this also works as a set button as well. And bottom right here, you can see we do have the output for you to plug in the micro USB cable to recharge it if you guys don't want to use the case option. And the back right here, we do have a clip option that want to clip onto your shirt. And right here on the bottom is where you guys want to plug it into the actual product to do the wireless charging. But you guys need to peel off the strip right here first. Alright, so once you guys peel it out, then you can put it back in to start charging it. So we put it back in. You can see how it starts charging. So all you guys need to do is just peel out the back part to start charging all of them. But that is what the transmitter looks like. Now I'm going to show you guys the receiver. So when I take out the receiver, it also has the display screen right here. On the side right here, we do have the mute button that also works as a power button. Top out right here, we have the line out, and we also have the headphone option. On this side right here, we do have the plus and minus for you guys to adjust the gain level on here, and we have a set button as well. And right here, we also have the micro USB output for you guys to plug in a cable to recharge it if you guys don't want to use a case. And the back part is the same. It also has a clip option for you guys to clip it somewhere if you guys want to. And then right here, you can see we do have to peel this part off in order for you guys to charge it. So we have to take it out. If you guys put it back in, you guys can see how it starts charging as well. So that is everything that's on right here. Let me actually turn it on to show you guys how to use it and what the screen looks like when you guys activate both of them. So the way how they design the product actually works like a hot shoe. So you guys want to clip it onto your camera, you just want to go like that. You can see how it fits on there perfectly. So what I'm doing right now is turn it on. Alright, So once you guys turn it on, this is what the screen looks like. So I'll show you guys like the volume level and also the battery for the receiver and also transmitter as well. So you can see the battery on here is pretty low. So we do need to fully charge it first. But this is what the screen looks like with this one. Let me show you the transmitter now. So for the transmitter, they also give you guys like the hot shoe option. So we're just gonna insert it in, just like that. You definitely have the option available as well. But when you guys turn it on, this is what the screen looks like. So you guys want to mute it, you guys want to press on top button right here. And that will mute it. If you can see when you guys touch it, there's no audio. But when you guys touch it again, you guys can see how there's audio on here. And if you guys want to change the different gain level on here and etc., you guys can press on the button at the bottom. You guys can change all of that on here if you guys want to. Whereas for the receiver, if you guys press on the button on the bottom, that is what you guys can change on here. Let me actually plug in the cable to show you guys how to charge the product directly on the transmitter or the receiver. So let's plug it in right here. You may see how I show you guys that it is charging on here for the transmitter. Now let's plug in the receiver. If you guys plug in the receiver here, it show you guys that it's charging right there as well. So definitely really cool how she give you guys the option to plug it directly onto the product here or the case to charge it up. So while we're waiting for it to actually charge up, I want to show you guys how to change it from mono to stereo. You guys press on the bottom button. You can see right here how I should say stereo. If you guys want to change it to mono, you guys want to press the step button at the bottom, press and hold it, and now then change it. So now we have mono, and now we have stereo. So for this test, I'm gonna use the stereo option. So once you guys press and hold the set button, then it's all set. So currently the product is charged up a little bit. So I'm going to show you guys how to actually connect it. So once you guys turn on the receiver and transmitter, you guys want to put it inside. Once you guys have it inside, you guys want to press and hold the pair button right here. Once you guys do that, you can see how the product is connected. So currently we have this one connected and not this one because this one is still charging and we have it off. And the way how we know it's connected is by looking at this part right here. This part shows you guys that it is connected. And the bottom part right here shows you guys that the audio is on. If you guys press the mute button, that pops on and that's how you guys know it's muted. So let's set this up and test it out to see how it works. So for this part, I want to clip it onto my shirt. So I'm gonna put it right here. And then for the other side right here, for the receiver, you guys want to put this onto your camera. But just to show you guys what the screen looks like now, if you see how I show you guys that it's connected onto one of them. And show you guys the gain, the connection, and also the battery life on here. So for this test, I'm gonna insert the receiver onto my camera here. Put it onto the hot shoe. And then we do have the cable right here that we're gonna insert it in. Once we have that in, we can start using it. So let's test it out. So I'm gonna start recording on this microphone to see what it actually sounds like. Alright, so we got the product all set right here. If you can hear what it actually sounds like with the microphone that's on here. Now let's test it out without the microphone to see what the difference is. Alright, so what you have to listen to right now is the audio that's coming from the camera itself without the microphone. You guys can hear what it actually sounds like. Now let's go listen to the audio and see what the difference is on here. Alright, so after listening to the audio that's on here versus the one without the microphone, you guys can definitely hear the difference that's on here. So when you guys do use a wireless microphone, it sounds so much better than the microphone that's on the actual camera. And it's actually really cool how the product is actually wireless, so that way I don't have any cable hanging out. But if you guys do want to use a lavalier microphone, that's the one that they provide for you guys right here, you do have that option if you guys do want to use it. But you can see the product definitely does work, and you guys can hear the audio on here definitely sounds really good as well. But that is everything that's on the product right here. Now to go unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one and need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for like a wireless microphone system or setup. Whether it's going to use it for like your device with the aux option or the iOS device option. These two options actually works pretty well and they work around the same way. It's just that one of them is for iOS device and one of them is for like other device that has the aux output. But regardless of which one you guys get, both of them definitely works pretty well. So I definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't even want or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.